We're going to do percentages, but it's a slightly different way of looking at it. So I'm going to give you 5 percentages and you've got to work out which is the largest value. Okay, which gives you the largest answer. So I'll write those down. Right, okay, so these are the questions. So what is 10% off 200? So let's just quickly go through that. If you want to work out 10%, you divide by 10. If you want to work out 1%, you divide by 100. If you want to work out 5%, what you do is you divide by 10, then divide by 2. Right. 10% off 200 is 20. 1%, you move the decimal place back 2 places, so that answers 9. Let's do it that way, 9. Let's carry on. We want 5%. So what we do is we work out, let's do in 2 steps here. So we work out 10%, which is 40, and then we divide by 2. I'm going to divide that by 2. So this is, remember, this is all going on in my head. So I've got an answer of 20. Right, now we're doing 50%. So remember, whenever you see 50%, think of half. I want half of 60. And my answer is 30. Right? Now, 2%. So what I would do is I would work out 1% and then multiply it by 2 or double it. So let's work out 1%. 1% is 1, 2. That's 1%. So now we need to double it or multiply it by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. So we'll put the answer there. Now, so from all of these answers that we've written in black, which is the largest? And it's 50% off 60. So if you get a question like that, there's a lot of calculations going on. So the more you practice, the easier it will become. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with some questions. Right, so just bear with me. So I want you to find the largest value for out of these 5 values. So just which out of these gives the largest value. So I will leave that to you and I'll put the answers up. Right, okay. So that's the answer. So you want to practice these sort of questions. So the quicker they get, the easier you'll be able to get through the full set of questions, because it's about speed and recalling loads of simple facts. Okay, well done.